Continue with the build, add in a few things. Just put on a Super ATV tree kicker, brand spanking new. Thought I got a heck of a deal off of a buddy of mine. Okay, the drill points are going to be back here on this bar of the frame. The stud just goes through here. That Torx nut needs to come out, and I will drill a hole through here. It's the hardest part of this assembly. I don't have the centering tool that Super ATV sends with their kits, so it's a little bit of a pain in the butt doing it with a hand drill without a centering kit, but all right, pretty easy job. This Torx nut here is going to need to come out. That is where the bottom bracket is going to mount, and just a dowel goes inside there, and this will mount back on. So once this is out, no other bolts need to be removed. Again, this is only pain in the butt since I don't have the centering tool. I just do a small pilot hole and then go with a bigger one from there. All right, pilot hole is through. That came off, that's not good. I got my pilot hole drilled. Let's try it here and see what it does. So without the centering tool, it's sort of a pain. Okay. I'm through. All right, the hole's through. May have to wallow it out because it's close. Slides through and look pretty center. Pretty good. Let me move to the front. Check and make sure there's nothing back there I'm going to hit. Feels good. Pilot hole is done. Let's see if I can drill this one here through. Same thing. The drill bit is about the same size, so I need to wallow the backside out a little bit. Do this to make it a snugger fit instead of going with the other drill bit I have, which is quite a bit bigger. That should do it. Here we go, it's through, perfect. Okay, now for the install. Hopefully everything goes as smooth as the first one. Bit of a pain in the butt to do it by yourself, but that's the brakes. Put this in and see if I can give me a little holding point. That's in. Get it straight on. Let's get this pin and this Torx here started. Alright, that's snug. Not Gorilla Snug, but snug. Get back and tighten these bars here. Okay. Snug. Let's go to the front. In easier, that's for sure. And that's it. Pretty simple. All right, I've also got a steel roof for this thing. Needs to be painted, sand down. I want to go back with the black, and I think a red stripe down the middle sort of match the seats, but I need to take the plastic roof guard here off. 4 Torx nuts total. Okay, clip comes right off. Got to paint and anchor the roof, but the roof is going to go on something like that with a light bar up front. Holes already cut. Drill a hole in the back for my 2-way radio antenna, and that should be good to go.